Today, we're focusing on a crucial lawn care practice: how to dethatch Bermuda grass. This process is vital for maintaining a healthy and vibrant lawn, so let's get started. Firstly, why dethatch Bermuda grass? Thatch is a layer of dead grass, roots, and debris that accumulates between the soil surface and the live grass. A thick thatch layer can prevent water, nutrients, and air from reaching the grass roots, leading to a less healthy lawn. The ideal time to dethatch Bermuda grass is in late spring or early summer when the grass is actively growing. This timing allows the grass to recover quickly from the stress of dethatching. Before you start, mow your lawn to about half its normal height. This makes it easier to access the thatch layer. For dethatching, you can use a specialized dethatching rake for small areas or a power dethatcher for larger lawns. Gently rake or run the dethatcher across your lawn in a pattern that covers the entire area. You'll notice dead grass and debris being pulled up. This is the thatch being removed. Rake up and dispose of this debris to keep your lawn clean. After dethatching, it's a good time to aerate your lawn. Aerating helps relieve soil compaction and allows air, water, and nutrients to penetrate deeper into the soil. Finally, water your lawn deeply and consider applying a light fertilizer to help your Bermuda grass recover and grow back stronger. Remember, dethatching is a stressful process for your lawn, so it's crucial not to do it too frequently. Once every 1 to 2 years is usually sufficient for Bermuda grass. Thanks for watching. Proper lawn care practices like dethatching can make a significant difference in the health and appearance of your Bermuda grass. Happy gardening!